What I have today is a Stanley number 60 miter box. Stanley manufactured the number 60 from 1909 until 1967 when it was discontinued. Now, Stanley sold this box two different ways. They sold it with and without a saw. With a saw, it was the number 60, and that's what this one is. I have the original saw. If it was sold without a saw, it was a number 50. Same miter box, just new saw. Now, the miter box is about 18 inches long, the bed's about 4 inches wide, the back fence is about 3 inches high. Now, there's no work stops or work holding devices on it, except here on the fence, there's two screws that are pointed, and you just simply screw them through, and when you put your piece of material on there to saw it, you just jam it into there, and they do a pretty good job of holding your material tight, and it helps keep it from slipping around. Now, the vernier scale, it has the usual detents, 90, 22 and a half, 30, 45, but it also has other detents. Now, if you wanted to make a 5-sided box, there's a mark here for a 5-sided box, a 6-sided box, an 8-sided box, or a 12-sided box. You don't need to know where it needs to sit on the vernier. There's detents. It also, you just bring the arm around, it's marked. You just bring it around to the proper spot and lock it into the detent. So you don't really need to know the geometry or what degrees it is to do that, which is something pretty cool. You can also lock it in between the detents. There's a screw right here that you can tighten down to lock it in place. Now, one other thing, this is another Stanley miter box that you can use a regular handsaw on. Now, on the saw guides, there's a small hole. You can put a 4-penny nail through it, and you can use a regular handsaw if you don't have a back saw available. Now, the nail's purpose is just to keep the saw from going up into the saw guide too far and damaging the saw guide or your saw. Now, I'll put some photos at the end of the video and some close-ups of the saw guides and the vernier and things, so you can just kind of get a look at, you know, what some of these things are and what they look like. There you go, the Stanley number 60 miter box.